to Little Elves Workshops. If you don't know me, I'm Nina, and if you do know me, right? How you doing? You alright? I saw on Facebook, thank you to my friend Laura, about this exciting thing that children everywhere are going to be doing if they're not already doing it. And what they are doing is painting or drawing a rainbow, and they're putting it on their windows so that when children are going for walks with their families and they're not like doing their usual day-to-day weekendy things where they're meeting up with their friends, they're going for walks, they're going to be spotting their friends' rainbows in their windows. It's like a really nice way of just sort of saying hi to everybody. So we're doing a big rainbow to go at the end of the drive here. This is Gwen. Do you want to say hello, Gwen? This is my Gwen. So, and we're saying how many rainbows can you spot on your walk today? So hopefully you can walk past our workshop and spot our big rainbow that Gwen's doing. Be out there later today. Okay, and I'm sure I don't need to tell you how to do a rainbow. So you just go ahead and see how many great rainbows you can spot. Okay, take care.